This is the Crock-Pot slow cooker, 8-quart programmable slow cooker. I'm obsessed with this, by the way. It is awesome. It has a digital countdown timer. It's black with stainless steel, and it has 8 quarts to allow you to cook really larger size items. Like if you wanted to cook a whole chicken in here, perhaps you totally could, but it literally could feed food for 10 plus people with the crock pot. It's got a digital timer countdown to cook for up to 20 hours, and it automatically keeps food warm after cooking time is done. It'll just kick over from whatever your time that you had set over to warm, so it just keeps staying warm as opposed to completely shutting off. It's removable, dishwasher-safe lid, and stoneware pot is one of my favorite things because, hello, dishwasher is life. It has in their recipes are included with the package, but you can put it on low, high, or just on warm. And again, you can get up to 20 hours included with the lid for this large size slow cooker. I highly, highly recommend.